everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my intro for Project Polish. Yes, the saga continues with all of the January intros. This is one I have been excited to start. I kind of got bored towards the end of last year, and I wanted to just start fresh this year, and that's what I'm doing. I don't think I have anything that I worked on last year except one that was in like a seasonal for usage. And you'll recognize that if you follow my other painting projects. This project was originally created by Cherish. She's Pretty Pistol 86. She does not film anymore. She does not upload anymore. I'm not sure what happened. She just kind of disappeared one day. And hopefully she'll come back. She was very inspirational as far as her painting projects and stuff like that. And she had a lot of knowledge and information that she always shared whenever she did her updates and her planning and stuff like that. Wonderful, wonderful girl. I kind of miss her, and I really hope that someday she will come back. But I always like to give credit when I know where that credit is due, and she was the first person that I know of that did Project Polish. So, and that was like years and years and years and many, many years ago. So I am putting in, let me see, 18 polishes this year. Since I did so well last year with my polishes, I thought, let's see if we can go a little bit further with it. And so I have put in 18 colored polishes as well as a base and top coat, which I didn't do last year. I should have. And sometimes I get lazy. Sometimes I don't put on a base coat or a top coat. And I really should. And hopefully this project will remind me that I need to do that. If my eyes are looking a little tired, it's because I've been filming a lot of videos today, a lot of intros, and I've got a lot more to film still, and it's late at night, and yeah, so that's why I look a little tired today. All right, let's get into this. I have my color wheel. It is very, very, very colorful. This is 18 different colors on here, and like I said, my base and my top coat. So let me get the base and the top coat out of the way. This is the Jessica Nails Reward base coat for normal nails. I don't know if my nails are normal, but it's just a basic base coat. And this amazingness, this is the Jessica Nails Brilliance. It's a high gloss and a flash top coat. It really does dry your nails like super duper quick and leaves a nice shine on them. And I have noticed that my nails are wearing a lot better when I actually put that top coat on. I'm going to be sad when it's gone because it is a pro product, and I have lots of other top coats in my collection that I will have to use up before I can justify buying a new top coat. All right, let's get into this color wheel. I'm going to start with this bright bubblegum pink. That is the Jessica Nails Flirty, and hopefully my lines have dried. I am starting right here at this line. Next one is the one that you would have seen, I don't remember what project, if it was 10 uses or it might have been Pan What May. I think that's what it was. And this is Gina Girl, and that is that purpley glitter. It is from e.l.f. And I like that one a whole lot. The next one is Wet n Wild, and this one is Black Creme right here on the color wheel. And it's virtually brand new, only been used a few times. Next one is Wet n Wild. I don't think this one has a name. It's 407A, and that's where we are starting right here. Sorry, I'm doing this super quick. This one also is a really old Wet n Wild. It does not have a name. That one right there. This is 437D, and we are starting right here. Next one is from Avon. This is the Nail Wear in Shimmering Sand, starting right here, and that is it right there. Next up is another Jessica Nails. This one is 14 Carats. This one has been in a project before, but I want to say it was 2019, 18 or 19, and I didn't finish it. So that is where I'm starting right there. And this is the swatch on the color wheel. Moving on to my beauty spot, and does this have a name? Let me look on here. It's just silver nail polish. If it has a name, I think like maybe the sticker came off. It's really pretty on though. It's like up into the neck, so there was no way I could mark that, and that's what that one looks like. It's very metallic. It kind of looks glittery in the bottle, but it really comes out metallic when you put it on your nails. All right, this is Sephora by OPI, Teal We Meet Again. This was in a project polish with that gold one, and I am starting right here. And that is what it looks like on the color wheel. Next we have Sol Electric. Where's my line? There it is, right up there. And this is what it looks like on the color wheel. Moving on to some Avon polishes. This is Saturn, pretty purple, and starting here. And that is what that one looks like. This is Pecan, yes, Pecan, starting right here. I had to have like something fairly neutral to put in here with all of these crazy colors. This one is Jessica Nails Peaceful Pink. It does not look pink at all to me. It's just like a cream color, and we are starting right there. And it looks pretty boring, but I figured with some nail art, that is like something that I need to have in here. This one is Stroke of Red from Avon, starting right here. And that is it on the nail wheel. Does this one have a name from Victoria's Secret? Purple Glaze. It's an appropriate name. It's like a jelly. And you can see where it is. There it is. There's the line. That one is going to be easy to work with. And that is what, I think this one was 2 coats on that one. Most of these are 2 coats. Some of them, like the glitters, I did more than 2 coats. Next one is LA Girl Gel in Swanky. This one is new, so it's like up in, like just at the base of the neck. If you hear fireworks, it's because I'm filming on New Year's Eve, and it's not quite midnight, but everyone's partying already. All right, so this is LA Girl Swanky. It looks way darker, I think, than it does on the nails. I don't know. All right, last 2, we have the Neenah Peacock Blue, starting right here. The cap is a little funky. A dog chewed on it. A dog that I don't even have anymore, but that tells you how long I've had this polish. So starting right there, really, really like this one. I'm going to have fun playing with that blue. And the last one is also a blue. It's a light blue from Del Sol called Superhero. And there is my line right there. So pretty full on that one. And that is what Superhero Del Sol looks like. I got a lot of color on here. A whole lot of color. And I'm going to have fun. I have been feeling like doing nail art. And it's been a while since I've done nail art. It's not going to be anything fantastic or fancy, but I'm going to have fun with it. If it works out, it works out. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm going to play and I'm going to have fun with it. And I'm going to get through a lot of nail polish this year. I am very excited to be working with lots of different colors. If I get bored with this, it means that I've finished a whole lot and I really need to roll some more in. I would like to finish these specific 18, but if I don't and I roll other stuff in and that gets used up, I'm okay with that. Even if I don't finish all of these. If I finish 15, I'll be happy with that. But I do want to get through quite a bit because if you watch my what I got for Christmas video, I got a lot of nail polish. I want to say I got something like 28 nail polishes, and I want more. There's a lot more that I want that I have on my wish list, but I feel like I need to get through some stuff before I bring any more in. So wish me luck on this. I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. There's going to be a lot of random color matches and stuff like that. They may not go. I'm just going to have fun with it. I don't care. I am going to do some nail polish with like eyeshadows, and I'm just going to have fun with my nails this year. It's my no stress. have a good time, enjoy yourself kind of year, self-care year. You know, we need it after the last 2 years. So that is what I'm going to do. And if you are doing project polish, let me know and I will come check you out, because I am going to be really getting back into the whole nail thing for this year. I miss it. I miss it a whole lot. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.